Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. There are some positives to report today, but they may well be just temporary. This weekend, the August non-farm payrolls report for the US will be released, and analysts are expecting a gain of 850,000 jobs in the world's largest economy as it bounces back from its pandemic downturn. But that will be far less than the 1.4 million it gained in July. Today, the precursor ADP employment report was released, suggesting private payrolls rose only 749,000, which was actually better than analysts were expecting. But some of that may be just a make-up from the low July result, which greatly undershot the July non-farm payrolls report. It is fair to wonder if these gains will last. For example, Disney has announced huge layoffs, mostly in its theme parks, and about 20% of those workers, many of which are part-time or minimum wage employees. And Shell Oil has said it will cut more than 9,000 jobs. There was another real estate market report out for the US showing American housing market was strong in August. Also rising is the latest Fed regional factory survey, this one from the Midwest industrial heartland, but they are just getting a later bounce back than the rest of the country there. Also on the up, China's manufacturing economy retained strong growth momentum in September, with firms signalling further good increases in production and new orders. New business expanded at the strongest pace since January 2011, aided by a strong rebound in export sales. August air cargo volumes rose from July, but growth was hampered by a lack of capacity. That was because the passenger market is still moribund. The Asia-Pacific international cargo shipments were down more than 18% from the same month in 2019. US Treasury 10-year yield has risen today, up to 0.69%, almost 5 basis points gain. And the price of gold is unchanged at $1,895 an ounce, but silver has slipped a little today. Oil prices are firmer, up more than $1 at just on $40 a barrel in the US, while the international price isn't much changed at just on $41 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today high yet again, now back up to 66.2 US cents at a 9-day high. But against the Australian dollar, we've hardly moved, and now at 92.4 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're up 40 basis points to 56.5 euro cents. And that means our trade weight index is up to 69.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.